Today I will show you where the biggest pilaf is cooked in a giant cauldron. Here, 5,000 kilograms of pilaf are sold every day. This place is called Besh Qozon, and it is the largest pilaf center in the world. People come here from all over the globe to taste the exquisite and legendary flavor of authentic Uzbek pilaf. First thing in the early morning, the chefs prepare all the necessary ingredients. They cut the meat into large pieces, slice tons of carrots and onions, and clean the rice. The rice must be of a special variety, chosen specifically according to the type of pilaf being cooked. After preparing the ingredients, the chef lights the fire under the largest cauldron in the world. Dozens of liters of vegetable oil are poured into the cauldron. The frying process begins. First, hundreds of kilograms of meat are fried until golden brown, and then a few dozen kilograms of sliced onions are added. After that, large sticks of carrot are added to the cauldron. Mostly yellow carrots are used, with a little red carrot as well. After frying the carrots, soaked half-cooked chickpeas and dried grapes are added. Salt and spices are added at the chef's discretion. The chef can determine the exact proportions of spices without using a measuring spoon. The next step is adding the soaked rice. As mentioned earlier, the rice must be of a specific variety. This pilaf is called wedding pilaf, and for wedding pilaf, the laser rice variety is used. The rice is placed on top of all the ingredients and is gently stirred without mixing with the rest. The chef determines the amount of water based on the condition of the rice. The simmering process of pilaf is considered the most crucial stage and requires professional skills and expertise from the chef. The temperature throughout the entire cooking process plays a key role. And now our wedding pilaf is ready. A distinctive feature of this place is that the kitchen is located in a huge hall where visitors are allowed to enter. Guests can watch and record the entire process themselves. There are always many people around the cauldron. For the guests, it is not only a gastronomic pleasure, but also unforgettable impressions and memories captured in photos and videos. There's always a huge line for the freshly cooked pilaf. Despite the numerous cauldrons filled with pilaf, the line never gets shorter. The chefs can barely keep up with serving the guests. The venue has more than 1,000 seats, and hundreds of staff members are ready to cater to your needs. In conclusion, I can confidently say that this place truly lives up to its status as the best pilaf center in the world. I highly recommend visiting this place in Tashkent. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned to the channel so you don't miss new reviews, unique locations, and exquisite recipes.